To make a fabric in Farming Simulator 25, first we need to click on Escape and then select the production chains. Now you need to select the spinnery, and here we can read all the information for production of fabric, sorry. So there's two options you can use. There's a fabric cotton. 9 cotton turns into 3 fabric. There's also fabric wool. 3 wool turns into 1 fabric. And there's also prices per month for each of those options. Now to actually start producing your fabric, you need to travel to the spinnery. You can click on visit right here. Make sure to bring the cotton with you, and to do that you will need to manually drive here with a truck fully loaded with cotton or wool, depending on which option you've chosen. Now you need to stop your truck in this area and unload it, and that way you'll be able to pay for a service to create the fabric.